Yes, good evening, Sangeet. Sangeet Sharma. You are from
Hello, good evening, sir. I'm from Pokhara.
Pokhara. Great. Okay. So
Is it
yes.
you and me?
Sorry.
Is it only you and me joining the meeting today?
No, people will come, but everybody because there is a time difference, so everybody joins 9:05, 9:02. But again, it is. Yeah, you can have your questions in the meantime.
All right. No, I'm not having any questions, but I just want to know, like, I would love to see how Vedic mathematics helps students.
What do you do?
Sorry?
You are a student.
I'm a student, I'm a teacher, everything.
So as a teacher, what do you teach?
I teach mathematics, probably, and science.
Can I ask you some questions then? Simple questions.
Yes, I'll try. I would love that.
How much? Okay, what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11?
Could you please question me again? Is a lot of sound here.
Okay, I'm putting it on.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11.
Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, maybe.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. Now this is the magic of Vedic mathematics. Okay,
Yeah.
now let's see what happens. People are joining. Now, for example, another question, like since you are from a maths background, how much time you need to write the table of 89?
No, I need a big time.
You are
I
a
need a
maths
big time.
teacher. You are a maths teacher.
I'm learning teacher, not a great teacher, but I'm learning. I'm learning.
Even then, you might have cleared some exams. Then only you become a maths teacher.
Yes. I'm
Okay.
just a beginner.
Okay. No issues. No issues. My class 1 student, first class student. Now he might be a beginner than you. A class 1 student can write this in 10 seconds. The only point is the concepts. The point is understanding. See, Vedic maths is basically a collection of techniques, concepts, which makes your maths practically easy, faster, simple, and mental. Mental means verbal, you can do anything. Right. Now, a small, like just a simple question, like 999 into 999. On the other side, it is, let's say, 888 into 888. Now, as a student of mathematics, let's say as a student only, what do you think which is more easier? Yes, Sangeet. Yes, YP Joshi. How are you?
नमस्कार सर.
कैसे
Good
हैं?
evening sir. Good evening.
आप सैटरडे संडे एब्सेंट थे?
Yes, I was absent because I was in the school.
No issues. Next time, next week again.
Yeah, next week on Saturday I will be free, but on Sunday I won't be.
चल देखेंगे. We'll see. Yes, Sangeet.
Okay.
See, as per normal maths, we will say this is a smaller number, so it might be easier. But in Vedic maths, this is more easier because the answer is just 9980001. Finish. So it all depends. Right. You can do this mentally. There's somebody iPhone. What's your name? Yes, sir.
Sir, Bikram Khatiwada from Nepal.
Yes, Vikram. From which place?
Kathmandu, sir.
Hmm?
Kathmandu.
Kathmandu. Great. So what do you do? क्या करते हैं आप?
I'm job holder, sir. Salesperson.
Sales, marketing.
Yes, sir.
You make the things go around, huh? Right. Yes. So how can I help you?
नहीं सर, ये पहली बार है मेरा ये अपना सेशन में पहली बार ज्वाइन किए हैं.
कोई बात
लिंक तो पहले भी आया बार देखेंगे पहले.
कोई इश्यू नहीं है. सी आपको मालूम है वैदिक मैथ्स क्या होता है?
ज्यादातर तो मालूम नहीं है सर, लेकिन वैदिक मैथ थोड़ा बहुत देखता हूँ. वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सब्जेक्ट लगता है, इसीलिए हम भी इंटरेस्ट करके ज्वाइन किए हैं.
नहीं, क्या आप क्या सोच रहे हैं? क्योंकि आप सेल्स में हैं तो किस तरीके से सोच रहे हैं? अपॉर्चुनिटी तो मैं अभी बता देता हूँ आपको. एज अ सेल्स ही आप ही की फील्ड की अपॉर्चुनिटी दे देता हूँ.
तो
देखिए,
यही तो उम्मीद है.
हाँ, अभी वैदिक मैथ्स क्या है जो मैथ्स के डर को खत्म करता है? राइट. इट रिमूव्स द फियर ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स एंड ट्रांसफॉर्म दैट टू कॉन्फिडेंस. इस पर्पस को लेके इंडिया ने इसको नेशनल एजुकेशन पॉलिसी में ऐड कर दिया है. सो दैट मींस क्लास 3rd से क्लास 9th तक कंपल्शन है. उसके बाद कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशंस में है. सो एवरीबॉडी नीड्स दिस. Now coming to Nepal, one thing is it is a neighboring country. Second thing, again, students are finding the fear of maths. I was there in Kathmandu last week. Held some, took some seminars in different schools. वही situation है, same कोई difference नहीं है. वही डर maths का, वही डर tables का, वही डर calculations का. So we need, so people अभी तो इतनी, क्योंकि emerging market है, people are looking for the betterment. So many schools have tied up with us. Several are looking forward for it. So there are very big opportunities of sales and marketing also.
Yes, sir. Sure.
आपकी फील्ड की बात कर रहा हूँ. अगर आपने पढ़ाने की बात करते हैं, then you need to learn the concepts first completely. Then you need to become a trainer first. That means you need to understand what is. See, concepts samajhna is not a difficult thing. I can teach you right now within 10 minutes also. और उसके बाद workshop होती है every Saturday, Sunday. There you can learn some concepts. But if you have to teach to somebody, then you should have to be a master of it. आधे ज्ञान से बच्चों को नहीं पढ़ाया जा सकता. बच्चे जहाज मारेंगे नहीं तो. क्योंकि बच्चा कुछ भी पूछ सकता है.
सही.
Correct. So now you have to, but yes, since you told that you are from sales field, so sales की भी requirement है definitely. In the emerging subject है, emerging industry है नेपाल में. There are chances, there are opportunities. इतना स्कूल है 2000 प्लस तो बोर्डिंग स्कूल काठमांडू में है. अगर इतने स्कूल टाइप करने लगे तो भी 2 साल लग जाएंगे. Right. So that is there. Yes, Sangeet, your doubt was clear or still you have any doubts?
No, I'm clear, sir.
Right. So see, that is how, because it is necessary for math students. Now, why it is necessary? Because yes, you are already teaching that subject and you know the ground reality. You know why students have a fear. So if you are going to remove that fear, kids will have more faith on you. Right. That is the best thing, because maths, it ultimately it complements maths only. Right. It makes your maths magical only. So maths teachers can play a very important role.
Yes, that's true.
Yes, Arjun.
Yes, sir. Yes.
कहाँ पे हैं आज?
यहीं पे हूँ सर।
काठमांडू?
हाँ
फिर आप बात इनसे करो।
सर हजुरको नाम के पर्यो?
हाँ,
अहिले काठमाडौँबाट हुनुहुन्थ्यो नि उहाँ हजुरको
मलाई
नाम?
भन्दै
हजुर हजुर
मेरो नाम
हजुर
म विक्रम खतिवडा।
Vikram,
विक्रम कतिवटा। काठमाडौँ कहाँबाट हुनुहुन्छ सर?
Vikram, he is Arjun and he is one of the franchisee of us. He is also running a tuition center in Kathmandu. So hope you both can do a good job if you work together. So he's already into.
काठमाडौँमा कहीँ हाम्रो फ्रेन्चाइजी छ सर वैदिक म्याथको कहीँ क्लास?
त्यही हो, त्यही उयो वैदिक म्याथ्सको फ्रेन्चाइजी
दिया।
मैले रिसेन्टली अहिले मैले नै लिएको हो काठमाडौँमा।
अभी 2 दिन इनके
वैदिक म्याथको
एग्जाम हो रहे हैं, उसके बाद फ्री होंगे ये।
काठमाडौँ?
काठमाडौँ बानेश्वर सर।
बानेश्वर। कुन टाइममा क्लास हुन्छ हाम्रो?
वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स के क्लास से स्टार्ट भएको छैन अहिले हैन।
Arjun, let me clear him. Arjun, Vikram, he has just taken it and they are going through their examinations, SEE exams. So he'll be free after 2 days and thereafter he'll start working. And I was just last week only in Kathmandu. So just recently we have given him franchise, but yes, he is yet to start the business. Right. So this, he's yet to start. But yes, his location is ultimate because it is opposite to one of the mall. And I think that would add to his marketing strategies and all. And he could get good, and already he's a trainer, he's a teacher, math teacher. So that adds to him. Sangeet.
How about we bring this campaign to Pokhara?
Pokhara, we are working on it. We are working on it because see, anything can be done. The point is not how can we bring. We have around 50 plus inquiries from Pokhara also, but somebody should take a lead, right? Because we can have seminars there also.
Take a lead. I can take the lead, but I need your support, and we can together move for it.
Definitely, Sangeet, we can help it out, but some things are related to finance. See, just saying I can take a lead, because when you'll be arranging for seminar, you might be needing in need of funds also. Correct. So that is one thing where we generally look for, and we have team. Umesh is there, Smile sir is there, Sushmita is there, who can help you out, and for tying up with different schools, and then you can also bring up, or what do you do? You are in one school,
Yeah, I'm already engaged in a school.
business school.
So I teach in a boarding school, private school around Pokhara.
Okay, no, not an issue. I'll share you one proposal. You can share me the name of the principal and all. I'll share you the proposal, or you can edit it. Then we can have a word with them, and then we can move further. Not to worry, but yes, we have certain inquiries from Pokhara, and maybe in the next visit, I'll definitely visit Pokhara in the coming first week of May.
Yeah, that would also be better. But if there are other people who are from Pokhara, we can together work for it. Not only me, but other people too.
Yes, definitely. We are looking forward for the same. There are people, but I could not have a detailed word till now because we were concentrated more on Dhangadi than Kathmandu. So slowly and steadily we have to go, not all the things together. Biratnagar, Jhapa, Sunsai, we have done it. Yes, Mr. Rajan Narula, how can I help you? You just joined in.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Raj.
Sir, I have just joined the program. I was quite late due to my family stuffs.
No issues. This is a show. This is your show where you can ask your queries, doubts, questions. So nothing specific. Do have an agenda? Nothing like that. It's all whatever your queries are. I'm here to solve that.
So this is my first time, so that I don't have any questions for you to ask.
क्या करते हैं आप?
मैं टीचिंग करता हूँ सर.
कहाँ पर?
विराटनगर में कॉलेज में पढ़ाता हूँ.
विराटनगर. ओके, अभी मेरे को झापा में और विराटनगर के पास ही है झापा, वहाँ भी दिया है.
Okay sir. I have just listened about you today only.
Okay.
So I have just tried to join the program.
Okay, Rajan. So राजा बाबू हैं वहाँ पर, NLM trainer.
Okay sir.
So they have taken the franchise and they have started working towards that area.
Here in Viratnagar or in Jhapa sir?
They have started in Jhapa.
Okay.
Earlier he was asking for Viratnagar, but he has started in Jhapa and Itahari.
Okay, sir. I will be understanding more about you and this program, and then I will have some.
No, you see, that is what. See, first you should see if you try to understand the concept. That is 3 steps. The first step is ask your doubts, questions, whatever queries you have. That is the first step. Anything, whenever you have to start anything in life, so always the first step is clear all your questions, doubts. Right, the same we have in Vedic maths also. Second would be we go for a work. So this is the first day, no issues. Again, we'll have a Thursday also. We have the same session. New people would be there, and again, my point would be the same. You can ask any question.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Yes. Anyone else?
Start the program formally, sir.
Sorry.
How do we start the program formally?
Formal means
online formal classes. Maybe we can learn something from you.
Sir, there are that is what this is the first step. Like what you're attending today. This is a Zoom show which is known as Ask Me How. This is the first step. The second step means there is a workshop of 2 days, every Saturday and Sunday, right? 2 days, around 6 hours workshop is there where some concepts of Vedic mathematics are taught and how to start your own classes. A very nominal fees, registration fees is there, 199 IC or 320 NC, Nepali currency. And after that, once you have done that, once you are clear with what is Vedic mathematics, and then if you feel, yes, I can move ahead to become a trainer. So thereafter, we have regular classes. Now, next Saturday and Sunday, we are started. So classes are around 65 hours. 2 types of batches we have. We have Saturday, Sundays, that is known as weekend batches. Then we have weekdays batches, that is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Now, already a batch from Nepal is going on. That is weekdays batch, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. Now, coming next Saturday, Sunday, we'll be starting weekend batch. That is 9 to 11, only Saturdays and only Sundays. So that takes around 15 weeks to completely learn Vedic maths and to become a trainer. Right? I'll share you all the details if you have you shared me the.
So is it 30 days? 30 days training session?
How many?
30?
No, it's not 30. It depends on the which batch you are looking for. Right? It is around 65 plus hours. So yes, if you count the day wise, it becomes 35, 32, 33. That is there. 2 hours session. But
So that classes we are paying 320 rupees.
That is 2 days workshop.
So we are paying 330 rupees for 2 days or for 65 hours.
2 days. That is for 65 hours. There is an international certification. That is a trainer program where you will be getting books also. That is 12,999. That means 13,000 NC.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
How can we get the book? Actually, I have saw some book from the G library, and
So where
I
are
have
you?
here one
Where
book.
are you? You are in Dhangadi or you are in Kathmandu?
Right now, I'm in Kathmandu because here is my working
Okay,
area.
you can connect to Arjun. Arjun has got the we have got books with him, so he'll courier you.
Okay, okay. So,
I'll share
okay, yes.
your
Yes,
number.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So he'll send you a local courier.
Arjun Goswami, sir.
Yes. New Baneshwar.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, sir.
Right.
Are you in Kathmandu right now, sir? Arjun,
Yes.
sir?
Yes, yes. I'm always here in Kathmandu.
Okay, sir.
Why do you live here in Kathmandu?
So here in Batis Putali, and my
We are very near. I'm just
my
opposite to iPlex Mall. iPlex Mall, New Baneshwar.
oh, it's nearer.
Now you can walk down any day and collect the books.
Sure. But I have downloaded one book from G library, and the writer is
See,
Dhawal
Dhaval
Bhatia. I
Bhatia.
think.
Dhaval Bhatia. See, I'll tell you the reason. See, I won't say that even Dhaval has written good books on that. My
Yeah.
point was very different. I'm a businessman. So first thing I thought, what I like, from where I can understand or where can I practice. So my book is not a book complete. It can be said as workbook with question and answers and assignments along with it. So if a math teacher is going for a book, he can learn from book itself. You have one topic, then you have around 20 solved questions, then you have 130 plus, 100 plus questions to be solved, assignments, and then the next topic. So in this way, if you practice every question, then you can get the knowledge right from the book itself. And if you want to see the answers, then also they are available online in our group, where every day our students who are taking the classes or sessions, they are posting their assignments. So one can get the knowledge from it. But yes, see, it's always, from book you can learn, but you cannot learn how to teach. Now,
Yeah,
you have to handle the students.
sir, yeah. From this session, I'm trying to implement this Vedic mathematics in my school also. I'm HOD of my school, HOD of mathematics.
It's okay.
So I have planned to implement this Vedic mathematics from grade 4 to grade 10.
For that, the books are different. These books are for teacher training. For that, one book is coming tomorrow. Maybe it would be dispatched to Kathmandu day after tomorrow. It is for class
I'm also
third, fourth, fifth.
I'm also collecting. Yeah, I'm also collecting some materials related to Vedic mathematics myself.
After just looking at the books, you will not require even a single note from outside. This is because that is why I got. If you've seen that I got award, these books got awarded, and the reason behind that was they have been thoroughly written. Second thing, if you see on Quora also, I'm the most viewed writer in the world. Yes, you were talking about Dhaval Bhatia. He's very senior to me and written good books. But what I was looking forward at, what was my concern was anybody who picks up the book, he has not to refer any other thing. Refer means for extra knowledge. He should not go to search any manual, teacher's manual. And at the same time, for assignments, he should not refer any assignment sections. So it is a complete in itself, right? So it's kind of workbook, you can
So
say.
will that,
Yes, tell me.
will that book be applicable? Will that book be applicable to the students also?
I will see, it is applicable because it contains 100% material. But the point is, which student? If you're talking about class 3rd, 4th, 5th, now you cannot give them 6 books. Parents won't allow. Second thing, all the topics are not required. Now a class 3rd student, 4th student, he is not required to learn algebra. So why those books? So for 3rd, 4th, 5th, there are separate books, only 2 books. Then for class 6th, 7th, 8th, there are separate books. There are only 4 books. And above that, this teacher training can work. Because you cannot see, if in a book, there are 10 topics and you don't have to teach 5 topics to class 3rd. So will you give that book to the them? No, because then they will not feel good.
Sure
And
not.
it would be wastage also. So those books are also coming, and maybe you next week though you will get it. But I'm trying to by tomorrow courier it should go, and we'll send it to Kathmandu. From there we will be dispatching everywhere.
Okay, sir.
You'll get it.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
You should you should have talked to me that time last week. We could have that time met and we could have done something.
Yeah, I think after taking the workshop, so I'll be provided the book. But due to the time boundaries, so I couldn't join the
yes,
workshop.
yes, it happens. I can understand because in Nepal, what is there?
I couldn't
Sunday is
hear
not
you,
off.
sir.
In Nepal, Sunday is not off, but other countries, Sunday is off.
Yeah.
So this is a problem which I am also facing. Every Sunday, people from Nepal are less. Saturday, everybody is present, and Sunday they are skipping. I can understand. And that was the reason we, for 2 weeks, we thought of conducting in the evening, late night only. But again, then from other countries, people are not ready. So I have a mix, like from India also, from. Okay, somebody else. Yes, Redmi Note AI, somebody joined. Saroj Adhikari. Am I audible, Saroj, to you? Redmi Note 5. Who is this? Kindly rename yourself so that we can talk at least. Okay. Kalpana. Yes, Kalpana Kumar.
Have you done any action research over this Vedic mathematics, sir? So
What? Please come again.
have you done action research on this topic?
Action means.
Is there any action research means so you have implemented somewhere and the outcomes that you have in the written form?
See, now in Bangalore, we implemented in one school, but it is now there is no doubt left now, because in our country it has been implemented. So our focus is now only on training the trainers. That point we have already crossed. See, this action research is when you have to think to implement something. Now it has already been implemented. The action has been taken. So now the only concentration is how many more trainers, because now trainers are less. We don't have any trainers. Any means we have very less trainers as compared to the schools. See, if you talk about schools and students, they are large in number. We don't have so much of trainers. So now that point has already gone. This was a long time back when people used to think. Now, even on this Sunday, see, our Prime Minister every month end, he has a PM Man Ki Baat. Even on this Sunday, he repeated the same thing, the advantages of Vedic mathematics. So already it is implemented. Now it is not to be, this point has already crossed.
Okay.
Yes, Saroj Adhikari. No.
Yes, hello.
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you are audible for me.
Okay. So do you have any questions, any query?
No, I was wondering what to ask because I don't know. I am just late today. That's why I don't know what to ask.
Don't
So-
worry. Don't worry. I could just see on your profile the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. That is absolutely correct. I can only
Yeah, I
say,
love that.
so you're a math teacher.
Yes, I am.
Okay, from which place?
I am from Nepal.
No, not Nepal. Where from Nepal?
Oh, no, but the name I can see, they are not Nepali, I think so. So I
There
just
are-
say I'm from Nepal.
There are some,
There are.
maximum are from Nepal itself. I'm already training people in Nepal.
Yeah, I'm from Kathmandu itself.
Okay, now Kathmandu, Arjun Goswami, he's a franchisee from Kathmandu. YP Joshi, he's also from Kathmandu. So
Okay.
I was there last week. I was there in Kathmandu.
Okay, that's really nice.
So where do you teach? Which school?
It's a community-based school near my house.
Which area?
Which area? Do you know about the Macha Pokhari?
Not, I don't know every name, but
Mata Pokori means around bus park.
Yeah. It's around Bus Park.
Okay, I got it.
Arjun was
Sarko,
Arjun was with me. He knows better, and he knows where we have been. Right.
Arjun, so we can connect in WhatsApp, right?
Sorry. Yes, Sandeep.
sure. Yes, sure. Sure, I'm just dropping my number as well in our group.
Maybe we can have a good access to mathematics and Vedic mathematics as a trainer and as a teacher, right?
Sure.
Sure.
So, any questions, any query, any doubts you have, please ask me. Yes. Anyone else? Yes, Saroj Adhikari. Your raised hand.
I just want to ask about the today's session. Is it the session that you are going to teach us about the skills that how can teach the subject mathematics or something else?
No, see, the today's session, this is known as Ask Me How. So this is regarding your questions, your doubts, your queries. I'm here just to solve those things. if you the agenda of this session, this particular show every Tuesday and Thursday is that whatever doubts, whatever questions, whatever queries you have related to Vedic mathematics, because Vedic maths is new to Nepal, right? We have most of the clients right now in this show from Nepal itself. We have advertised this in Nepal only. So first step, this is a first step towards becoming a trainer in Vedic mathematics. First is you clear your doubts. So Tuesday and Thursday, you can clear your doubts. Then comes Saturday and Sunday. We have a workshop, a 2 days workshop where you learn some basic concepts, which will prove that, yes, how magical this subject is. And you will feel that speed in yourself within, and at that time, you will not even require calculators to solve. So those 2 days, you learn Vedic mathematics, and then you also learn how to launch your classes and then lead a way to success. Then comes the third step. If you are comfortable, if you feel, yes, I can go further, I can further teach students, teachers, trainers, everybody, then you can go for a full-time, full trainer's course. So it is these are the 3 steps, right? So today's step is only your doubts, your queries, your questions. So there is no agenda for this. If you have any question, I'll just provide you the solution.
Can we use Vedic mathematics in physics and exponentials?
See, we can use, now I'll give you a very simple, now you have talked about physics. Now physics is incomplete without pi, correct? Value of pi, without value of pi, it is incomplete. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Now you know what is the answer to, so what is the value of pi? 22/7.
Yes, sir.
And do you know what is the answer when any number is divided by 7?
The last digit probably comes maybe 9.
No. Now, see, this is a very important thing which is overlooked. See, whenever we divide anything, let's divide 1/7. So the answer would be 142,857. Let's put, sorry, it is like this, 0.142,857. I'm just putting this in the form of a clock. That means if I know the first digit, I will not solve further. I don't need it. So let's say 2/7. Now first digit would be 0.7214. So the answer is 0.28571. 285,714. See, so that is the 3/7. So that means first digit would be 0.4. That's all. You don't have to calculate more than that. Now you know what comes after 4? 2, 8, 5, 7, 1. And this fact is not told anywhere in any of the books, any competitive examinations. And in Vedic maths, this is a simple sutra called as Kevalam Saptam Gunyat. That means only 7. So such magic, so, and even organic chemistry we have. But the point is, when we study something, we start from the basics. And from Vedic mathematics, we need to first go for the arithmetical operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, squares, cubes, square root, cube root. Then we'll come to divisibility. Then we'll come for algebra. Then we'll go for conics, calculus, organic, trigonometry, geometry. Then we can move further, right? So that is the problem. We have to go step by step. Otherwise, yes, it is very helpful in organic chemistry also.
So can you please do the demo of some calculations now?
I've shown you one this. I'll share you the video.
Yeah, that would be fruitful. No? Otherwise, it looks like it's quite difficult, right? We couldn't understand the basics, and you are doing it yourself, but we couldn't understand. So maybe you can share the screen.
Sir, that is what this is. For that, you need to join the workshop where you will be spending 3 hours and doing 100+ questions per day. See, unless maths comes from practice, maths cannot be done by just simply seeing it. Right. So for that, you have to go for the workshop, 2 days workshop. But yes, if you want to have a video, you have to see the videos. That videos are available. But here, since we have a limited time, so I need to solve the queries first. Definitely we'll do that. So any other question? Yes, Saroj, you raised hand.
I have seen some of the videos in YouTube also. I mean, like Vedic mathematics is related to the calculations of the big numbers without using calculator and adding also. Is it the same thing that we learn after after having the sessions?
Definitely. See, the big calculation means in what? See, we'll be starting from addition, subtraction also, multiplication also, division also. So calculation, that is all arithmetic would come. Now talking about Q, I'll just give you one question. I won't be able to solve completely, but for example, if I have this, now this is simultaneous addition and subtraction. Do we have any way in normal maths to solve this in a single line? No. What we can do is we can make the pairings all positive together, all negative together. Now, what happens? This is only a 4 numbers. Maybe if it is 10, then making pairs. First, we'll find out the answer for this, and then we'll find out the answer of this. Now, this is not practical. This is not possible in normal maths, but in Vedic maths, it has a solution. Another thing, 21 into 21 into 21. Now, 3 digits. You cannot multiply in normal maths. You have to multiply these two first. This becomes 441 and then 21. There is no alternative.
Yeah.
But this is possible in our Vedic maths. So 1, 2, 4, 8. We just double it and the answer is 9261. So there are.
But
yes. But you need to.
Yeah, it's okay.
To understand it, you have to solve it. So that's
Yeah.
This is just your queries to be solved. For question answers, if you want to learn something, you have to go for a 2 days workshop. There only you can learn, or you can check with my previous videos. You will get help from it.
Okay, I got it.
Right.
Yes.
Bhanu.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any question?
No questions, sir. I am just a student. I am just
no issues.
joining the.
It is for students also. कौन सी class में? Which class you are in?
I am bachelor student, sir.
Sorry?
Bachelor.
Okay.
I am doing BBM.
BBM. Very good.
Yes, sir. So today is the first class. First class.
This is not
So
a
I
class.
am gaining the.
This is
No, I have joined. I have joined first time. So
okay. No issues. So many people are doing it for the first time. Don't worry about it. So you are from which place in Nepal?
I am from Viratnagar.
Viratnagar. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We have one more person. I think Sangeet is from one. Right. So if you don't have any queries, I'll take off. I have a class. Right. So if you have any queries, I'm just sharing my number also. Otherwise, you can be in touch with Shushmita or Umesha. So I'm just sharing my number. Of course, +91. Okay. Right. So thank you very much and bye-bye.
Thank you.